how to sign up for Uber One. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Uber One step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, start by opening the Uber or the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure it's updated to the latest version. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the account icon which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and tap on the option that says try Uber One free. And this is where you will find all the details about the membership. So here you will see two plans like $9.99 per month and $96 per year if you want to save more long term. And here, if you are eligible, you may be able to see a free trial like start free trial or join now to continue. So here you can select or add your payment method like a credit card or the Apple Pay, and after that you can just confirm, and here you can just tap subscribe, and after that you will be officially an Uber One member and you will see a confirmation screen showing your membership is active. So here, as a member, you will enjoy $0 delivery fees, up to 10% off on the selected restaurants and groceries, special pricing on Uber rides, and exclusive promotions and premium support. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.